ELI 5. Why does our stomach growl when we're hungry? What's going on inside our body that makes that noise? Your intestines are always moving and squeezing stuff along. When you've eaten somewhat recently, most of that is fluid, intestinal juices, food after it's broken down and getting absorbed. When you haven't eaten for a while, there's less fluid and more air. Squeezing that air past leftover fluid through loops of intestines makes the sound. With more air, that sound can more easily travel, so it's easier to hear. Think about how the bathtub drains mostly silently until the water is almost gone, or the last sip of a drink through a straw makes a loud noise. Pure liquids and gushy solids in your guts are pretty quiet, but if there's air and a little liquid, that makes things louder.